Hello everyone, it's me Kat, and today I want to address something that everyone asks me quite often in my live videos, and that is, what is a 20%er? Well, there are 100% of you that watch my videos, or of those 100% of the people who watch my videos, only 20% will do the work. And so if you're doing the work that I'm telling you to do, then you're considered a 20%er. Some people say, oh, I'm a 10%er. Well, nope, there's no such thing. There's no such thing as a 30%er that you're partly doing it. You're either doing it or you're not doing it. So you're a person who watches and doesn't do anything, or you're a 20%er. My encouragement to you is that you do it. That you do it. Let me use the example of Weight Watchers. I've lost over 45 pounds on Weight Watchers. I was determined that I was going to do it the way it was written, that I was not going to rewrite it and recreate the wheel, and I was going to attend my meetings every week, and I was never, ever, ever going to stop, because it's that important to me to be at an ideal weight. And that's what I did. Now, have I done Weight Watchers before? Yes. Did I lose weight on Weight Watchers before? Yes. Did the weight stay off? No. Did I have a harder time losing it? Yes. And the reason why is because I didn't follow the plan. So what I'm telling you in this correlation is that if you want to have a home that is peaceful and you feel in control of that home and you feel like you're loving yourself, then you want to follow the plan. Don't try to recreate the wheel. Follow the plan. Commit to yourself that this is what you're going to do. The second thing is that you want to do it every day to the best of your ability. Don't worry about the end result. That will take care of itself. You can't get there by running. It's step by step by step. And each day is a step. And each step builds a habit. And each habit builds a lifetime change in you. So follow the plan. The third thing is that you want to listen to what I'm telling you, because I will give you little tips and tricks on how to make this work better. And the fourth thing is that you commit to do it forever. Forever. Now, you will not be decluttering forever. You're only going to declutter one time. And then you never, ever, ever have to declutter again. You have to maintain. And you do that by doing clutter checks. And if you watch me and listen to me, you'll learn that. You can learn quite a lot by watching how to do the FlyLady system for newbies. You can also learn quite a lot by watching the videos that are in my playlist. If you want to learn more, then I encourage you to become a patron on my Patreon channel. There's no advertising on there, and every day I address a basic item for you. Something that will change your life, some tip or trick that will make it better for you. So if you're serious about changing your life, then first become a 20%er. I hope this encourages you, and I hope that you remember that you are beautiful.